Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you'll be fine. Students, open your read now book, page number 8, question number 6. The gander was the head of the flock. So give feminine of these words. First of all, students, we will see what are masculine and feminine. Okay, students, masculine, as you read in 2 class, he, and feminine means she. That refers to she, and masculine refers to he. So masculine nouns are words for men, boys, and male animals, and feminine nouns are words for women, girls, and female animals. Okay, students, because there is very less space, so you can paste in this way. Okay, sticky notes. So question number 6, masculine and feminine: gander, goose; bull, cow; ram, ewe; billy, goat; she goat; tomcat, cat. Okay, students, this is the B part of question number 6. Okay, and king, what is the feminine of king? Because this line shows he and this line shows she. Okay, so king, queen; prince, princess; brother, sister; boy, girl; uncle, aunt. Okay, question number 7 is: what sounds do these creatures make? Dog, cat, sheep, owl, donkey, wolf, lion, horse, frog, and cow. Okay, I also write it on book in this way. Okay, because there is very less space. You can also paste sticky notes. So let's start. Sounds of creatures, animals, and their sounds. Okay, so dogs. What is the sound of dog? Barked. Cat. What is the sound of cat? Mew. Sheep, bleat. And what is the sound of owl? Hoot. Sound of donkey is bray. Sound of wolf is howl. And the sound of lion is roar. Sound of horse is neigh. And sound of frog is croak. Sound of cow is moo. So these are the sounds of animals. Okay, our next question is: the boy found the book, but the king lost the gaze. What are the opposites of these words in the story? As you can see, they write found and lost. The boy found the book, as you learn in the story. The boy found the book, but the king lost the gaze. Okay, both of these are opposite of each other. So let's see some examples. Okay, students, what are opposites? Just its definition first. Opposites mean a person or thing that is totally different from someone or something else. So students, look at this picture. Both of these pictures are totally different according to their size. Okay, so for example, this tree is very big and this flower is very small. So both of these are totally opposite of each other. This is very big and this is very small. Okay, look at the height of the tree. This tree is very big and this flower is very small. You can see both of these glasses. Okay, both of these are glasses, but what is the difference? What is the opposite in between both of these glasses? This glass is full of water and this glass is empty. Here is no water and this glass is full of water. So both of these are opposite of each other. Okay, so students, these are the words and we have to find their opposites. So land. What is the opposite of land? Land is earth. So the opposite of earth is sky. Land, sky. Loved, hated. Loved, hate it, morning, evening, hot, cold, as the tea is hot and the water that is in fridge is cold, hot, cold, stopped, started, asleep, awake. So the next one is remembered, forgotten, short, long, fast, fast speed and slow speed. Both of these are opposites of each other. Fast, slow. Some students are fast and some students are slow in studies. And after, before. Okay students, also learn and write this full exercise. Then I will take your test. Take care, Allah Hafiz.